As we age, our lungs often become more sensitive, and even something as invisible as the air in our own home can quietly impact how we feel. Headaches, sinus pressure, dry throat, or just feeling a little foggy. The culprit may not be outside, it might be your indoor air. The good news is, nature has already given us a solution. In a landmark study by NASA, scientists discovered that certain common houseplants can remove toxins like formaldehyde, benzene, and carbon monoxide from the air, naturally and continuously. These plants act as living air filters, gently purifying the environment around us without the need for electricity or expensive machines. For seniors, especially those dealing with allergies, asthma, or low energy, choosing the right plant for your space can make a noticeable difference in how you breathe and sleep. In this video, we'll explore some of the best air purifying plants, grouped by the specific needs they support. Whether that's easing allergies, improving bedroom air, or thriving in low-light spaces. No green thumb required. Just small changes that can lead to better breathing, better sleep, and a better quality of life. The bedroom is where we go to heal, to rest, and to breathe deeply. But did you know that indoor air can be 2 to 5 times more polluted than outdoor air, even in the room where you sleep? For seniors, clean bedroom air can make all the difference in preventing nighttime coughing, dry throat, or restless sleep. Let's look at 2 plants that are perfect for the bedroom. Not only are they air purifiers, but they also help improve sleep quality. Often called the mother-in-law's tongue, this resilient plant is one of the few that actually releases oxygen at night, which is exactly when your body needs it most. It absorbs harmful toxins like formaldehyde and nitrogen oxide, making it ideal for closed bedroom environments. It's low maintenance, thrives in low light, and only needs occasional watering. Not only is the peace lily a beautiful plant with elegant white blooms, but it's also a powerhouse at removing mold spores and volatile organic compounds, VOCs, from the air. Mold can often build up in damp bedroom corners or older homes, and the peace lily helps neutralize that risk. It does well in filtered light and prefers moist soil, making it a gentle, calming presence in any sleep sanctuary. Together, these 2 plants create a healthier, fresher atmosphere where your body can fully recharge each night. Allergies can make everyday breathing feel like a chore. Sneezing, itchy eyes, dry coughs, or a stuffy nose can sneak up even inside the comfort of your home. For seniors with heightened sensitivities, keeping indoor air clean isn't just a comfort, it's a form of self-care. Thankfully, some plants go beyond beauty and act as natural filters for common airborne irritants, like dust, dander, and even mold particles. Here are 2 gentle, senior-friendly choices that help reduce allergic triggers and boost respiratory wellness. This lush, tropical beauty is more than just decor, it's a natural humidifier, releasing moisture into the air that can soothe irritated sinuses and dry skin. It's also excellent at trapping airborne dust and allergens on its feathery leaves. Because of its soft, non-pollen-producing nature, it's safe for people with allergies or respiratory conditions. Place it in a bright corner and water it regularly. It loves humidity and light. This hardy palm is a top NASA-approved air purifier, known for removing benzene and formaldehyde, both of which can come from paints, cleaning products, or furniture. More importantly, it maintains optimal humidity levels, which helps ease breathing and reduce irritation in dry environments. It thrives in filtered light and adds a peaceful, spa-like touch to your space. By introducing either of these allergy-friendly plants into your home, you're not just decorating, you're actively making your air cleaner and your body calmer. If you're a former smoker or live with someone who smokes, your lungs may still be in recovery mode. Even after quitting, residual toxins like formaldehyde and carbon monoxide can linger in indoor spaces for years, especially in older homes with carpets, upholstery, or poor ventilation. That's where detoxifying plants come in. Some varieties are particularly good at scrubbing the air of harmful gases and chemicals linked to cigarette smoke, making them excellent allies for respiratory healing. This humble arching plant is a superstar when it comes to absorbing carbon monoxide and formaldehyde, 2 of the most common pollutants from smoking. It's also extremely hardy and forgiving, making it perfect for seniors who want a low-maintenance option. Even better, It multiplies by growing little babies you can repot and spread around your home. Just keep it in indirect sunlight and water weekly. Boston ferns aren't just pretty, they're one of the most efficient plants for removing air pollutants, especially from cigarette smoke. Their dense fronds also act like a natural humidifier, helping moisten the air and soothe dry throats and irritated lungs. They thrive in cool, humid conditions with indirect light and appreciate regular misting or a nearby tray of water to keep them happy. These plants offer a quiet kind of support, filtering the air, easing the burden on your lungs and creating a fresher, healthier indoor environment. Not every home gets bright, sunny windows, and for many seniors, especially those in apartments or assisted living, low-light spaces are the norm. But that doesn't mean you have to miss out on the air-purifying power of houseplants. Some of the best toxin-removing plants are adaptable to shade or indirect light, making them perfect companions for corners, bookshelves, or cozy bedside tables. Nicknamed the devil's ivy for its resilience, pothos is one of the easiest indoor plants to grow, and it thrives in low light. What makes it special? It absorbs common indoor toxins like xylene, benzene, and formaldehyde, often found in household cleaners and plastics. Its trailing vines add a soft, decorative touch, and it only needs watering once the topsoil feels dry. For seniors looking for a no-fuss starter plant, pothos is a safe bet. Another shade-loving favorite, philodendrons, are heart-leaved beauties that clean the air while staying compact and manageable. They're known for filtering volatile organic compounds, VOCs, from indoor air, and they tolerate a variety of light conditions, even dim corners. They prefer moderate watering and occasional pruning to keep them in shape, but they're otherwise fuss-free and forgiving. Both of these plants prove that you don't need bright sun or a green thumb to enjoy the healing benefits of cleaner indoor air. Some plants are just wonderfully versatile. Whether it's your living room, kitchen, hallway, or home office, these green companions work quietly behind the scenes, purifying air, balancing humidity, and offering health-boosting peace of mind. For seniors looking for a one-size-fits-all solution, these are two of the best all-around choices to place anywhere in the home. A well-known skin soother, aloe vera also pulls double duty as a natural air detoxifier. It helps remove formaldehyde and benzene, two harmful chemicals commonly found in paint, varnish, or household detergents. Its thick, spiky leaves store water, so it only needs infrequent watering, perfect for busy or forgetful gardeners. As a bonus, its gel can be used to treat minor skin irritations or burns, giving it an extra layer of usefulness. With its broad, deep green leaves, the rubber plant is both stylish and powerful. It's one of NASA's top-rated plants for absorbing airborne toxins and increasing oxygen levels indoors. It adapts well to indirect light, tolerates indoor temperatures easily, and requires only moderate watering. Best of all, it's a fast grower, meaning more surface area to purify the air in any room. These two plants are reliable, beautiful, and low maintenance, making them ideal for seniors who want to breathe cleaner air without the fuss of complex plant care routines. Breathing easier doesn't have to be complicated. Sometimes it starts with something as simple and beautiful as bringing a plant into your home. Whether you're looking to sleep more soundly, reduce allergy flare-ups, or simply create a fresher, more comfortable space, these NASA-approved air-purifying plants can offer real, natural support. And the best part? Most of them are low maintenance and forgiving, perfect for any lifestyle and especially ideal for seniors who want wellness without the worry. You don't have to start big. Maybe it's just one peace lily by your bedside or a humble spider plant on your windowsill. Every small step you take adds up to cleaner air and a calmer environment, right where you need it most. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing for more senior-friendly gardening and wellness tips. And don't forget to check the description for plant care guides and our free printable, the Air Purifying Plant Placement Chart, to help you know exactly where to put each plant in your home. Thanks so much for watching. Take a deep breath, take care of yourself, and remember, nature is always ready to help.